Hello traders, it's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is December the 22nd on a Friday, the last trading day before Christmas, and you can see here the SPY is really set up for a move to a 5-day high here. Who knows, maybe all-time highs today, but nonetheless, a lot of stocks look like this. We're going to try to find some things that may have pulled back a little bit more, not chasing stocks as they go through all-time highs. I just feel like there's a better opportunity out there. First on my list is this LFMD, and you can see this one had a nice pullback from this 910 level and looking like it is gapping up. Entry on this one is your discretion. Maybe you can get a pullback, but nonetheless, nice little setup there in LFMD. Another one here is Williams Sonoma, and it has it kind of looks like the SPY, but a nice looking look there. I'm going to try to look for something else like this WRB, pulling back to this 50 period moving average, bouncing off of it. This is one you could try above yesterday's high. In a situation like this, I use the low of that bar as my stop. If it doesn't hold that low, I'm usually out. So a nice reward to risk ratio there. Let's see. Upwork, I'm going to put it on the list today, and the reason why, it is pulled back from the 16 level and it is bouncing and holding this 10 period moving average, bounced off the 20. Look for a move above yesterday's high, something that's pulled back a little bit. And I'm going to stick path on there again just because I like the way it's holding up. It has pulled back from highs, so look for a move above yesterday's high in that PATH strong chart there. There's more on the list if you have trade ideas, but that's it for today. Have a great weekend, a Merry Christmas, and I'll talk to you next week. Bye-bye.